How to unhide home screen pages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Long press on an empty area of your home screen to enter jiggle mode. In this mode, all the app icons will start to shake, allowing you to edit the layout. Now, tap on Edit at the top left corner and tap on Edit Pages from the options. You will now be taken to the Edit Pages screen where you can view all your pages. Pages with a check mark are visible, while pages without one are hidden from view. To unhide a page, tap on the empty circle below it. Once finished, tap on Done at the top right corner. As you can see, the previously hidden page is now visible. Following these steps, you can easily unhide a home screen page on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.